What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be reviewing my brother's 140 after we modded it out. We haven't done everything yet, but I'm just gonna do a review now, and then I'll make a final review once it's all complete. So let's get straight to the video. All right, so I know the lighting's not the best here, but we're just kind of work with it. This is my brother's 140. It's a 2016 KLX 140L. All we did so far, we're gonna do more, is we painted the rims black, and I'll put in a picture of how it looked before, but it looks so much better with these black rims, bro. Oh my god, let's go. Just looks so clean. I'll show the other side too. Absolutely mint. Okay, so first thing we ever did to this, well, other than the black rims, is we did the Pro Taper aftermarket handlebars. They're a lot wider than what the stock Kawasaki comes with. Front little view here. A lot wider, focus please, thank you. But yeah, they're black, absolutely dope. What we did then is we did the Pro Taper pillow top grips and green ends, because you know, green's kind of our thing if you couldn't tell already by my 250. Sorry, garage is really a mess right now. We're redoing it, but anyways. We also got a custom gas cap. They're pretty nice. It says Kawasaki Racing on it. Can't really tell, but whatever. Okay, so the most important thing that we did to this is a full FMF exhaust system. This is the Power Core 4, I believe. It says right there, Power Core 4. It's really slim. The stock one stuck out to like right here, and it weighs like, I don't know, it was like 2-3 pounds lighter than the full stock system that came. Yeah, he hit the tire against here after he did the jump, and it kind of screwed up the sticker, but that's fine. So yeah, little power bomb right here. Originally we just had the slip on, but then we got the header kit with it. And it's just absolutely mint. It just looks so much better than the stock. Weighs less, it sounds so much better. We also, where is it? We put a rev box on here. We put a rev box, that's right there, just lets you go higher RPMs. Yeah, and then we did a new front sprocket and a new rear sprocket. That's the new front one right there. Works very nice, and we also put a new chain on. It's a gold chain. Yeah, we had to cut a few links out, but yeah, I mean, it's really nice. Yeah, just absolutely. We didn't change any we didn't change the tooth. We didn't change any teeth. Like, we didn't go up or down, but we did add new ones. And so that's actually about it. And then we added a bunch of stickers and stuff to it, which looks really good. So yes, that is the full walk around as of right now. We will be putting in a big bore kit for the 140. It's gonna make it about 170 cc or something like that. Just because my brother's, he hit a growth spurt. He's got pretty tall, so we're gonna give him more power. So it's gonna be absolutely insane once we get that bore kit on. I hope we can do it soon, but honestly, I'm gonna do a top speed for it when it's all done. But we got the top speed up from 54, which I got in my viral video that has like 80,000 views. It was 54 then. It's 60 now, pushing 61. I know we can get 61 out of this just with the full FMF kit and the rev box. So yeah, just stay tuned for more 140 videos. It's really fun riding the trails and stuff. So thanks for watching. Peace out.